Hello, welcome to the demonstration on how you can add a sign. So here from the home page, once we're signed in, you can go to Signs. Here you'll see I have an existing example. It's 1080 by 1080 and therefore 1:1. But we'll add a second sign here, so click the plus icon. Then we can add our sign's information. This is what Presto will use to give you an accurate file. We can give it any name. In this case, I'll just call it Location West. And then we can enter our sign information. If you're not sure what any of this information is, you can click on the question marks here to get some more details. So in this case, I'll put in some example pieces. Okay, once we submit this, we'll get a confirmation message, and here we can just check our dimensions. See that our sign has been added, and if we were to create a message in the Presto editor, we could then select this location, 7:4 location, and create content for that. Your sign has been added. You can now create a template or submit a customer request with your new sign. You can find more tutorials at the Project Content YouTube channel.